welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I was missing the piece for my tripod for so long and I finally got it back. I found one, I should say. I'm so excited. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Let me make this short and sweet because I've gotten complaining about my intros before. So I'm doing another Dia & Co unboxing. I'm super excited because it's like summer, springtime vibes, right? Really heavy. I think it's because I have 2 pairs of pants in here. But yeah, so that makes sense. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the clothes really quick. Then I'll go into my little fashion show portion. And then we'll be on the way. I'll come back when I have this box opened. Because I'm not doing nails anymore. And girl, So, and as you guys know, Dia & Co is a monthly subscription box. You can get it, you can have it scheduled to ship to you once a month. You can have it scheduled to ship to you once every 2 weeks. It's whatever you decide. The way I have it is I just go in there. I don't have any like subscriptions on. I just go in there whenever I want a box because I'm not always home to receive the box and stuff like that. So I don't want to like, you know, mess that up. So I just go on there. I decide if I want a style box or an active box. And they send it to me and I get it in a couple days and it's super simple. So you pay $20 per styling, right? Now they have this awesome feature where you can actually pick up to 3 items that you want to try on, and then they'll add an additional 2 items. So the stylist will add those 2 extra items. And it's kind of nice because you get to see the items ahead of time and then you get to try them on, right? Plus the stylist kind of gets to see like your vibe and your style and what you like. So it's a little bit easier for them to style you. But again, it's $20 a month. And if you purchase all the items in the box, you get a 25% off towards those items, and you get that $20 styling fee off. Now if you only purchase 1 item, you still get that $20 off. So even if you purchase 1 item, you still get that $20 back towards a purchase. Now if you don't buy anything, you do lose that $20, but it's really hard not to buy something. And even then, it's still fun, right? So again, I'll have the links in the descriptions if you guys want to check it out. It's super awesome. And again, they do sizing from 14 to 32, so it's a huge range. And then shipping back is free, exchanges, all that stuff is free, so it's super awesome. So let's get into this. So this is my little card that you get. This is your little note from your stylist, and then it's all the cost and pricing and everything. And then this is the box. You guys, I've had this sitting here for like a couple days now waiting to film this video. I already know what's in here though because I picked out 3 of the items. And when I was checking on shipping, I looked at the other ones. But that's the cross section. Like, look at all those pretty colors! So this is the prepaid envelope that they send you. So all you have to do is take what you don't want, put it in here, throw it in the mailbox, and you're good. The 3 items I picked first. 2 of them were pants, and I'm going to show you the ones I'm excited about the most because they're fun. So the first ones I picked out were these green pants, and they're like leggings. Again, just doing a quick overview. The second one was a basic pair of jeans, skinny jeans. Super simple. These, the only thing, they were like frayed at the edges. That was like the thing about them. And the third item I picked out was this top. Well, it's kind of big. Was this top that ties in the front. Other item that they sent me, or they picked out. Oh, this is kind of cute. This is a dress. Got like a floral plant. It's black. It's lower in the front, higher in the back, and then the top part is completely open, like so. Last item they sent me was a shirt. It's got the little point at the bottom. I saw some detailing on here. Where's it at? Oh. You guys already saw it. It's got the little buttons right there. So that's cute. So let's head to the fashion show.